So I am back, y'all. I am back. Honesty is back. I've been missing for like almost 3 weeks. I did tell you guys that hey, I have exams coming up, so I will be missing in action. But I am back. So glad exam is over. Actually, exam has been over for quite a while. I think like almost 2 weeks now. But I've been busy. It is the Christmas season. I'm actually doing this video December 24th, Christmas Eve. So y'all know Christmas is tomorrow. And for the rest of this month before January 1 of 2024, I'm going to be busy. But we're jumping into 2024 with a new journey. I am on a new journey and I'm bringing you guys with me. I know by the title, you guys would see, like, hey, I have moved. I have moved. Your girl moved. Okay. We moved and I am living on my own. That sounds so good. Yes, I am living on my own for the first time ever in my 30 plus years. So I've been living with my mom, forever. And, this is something that I always wanted to do. And it just wasn't the right time. It was not the right time. It was just not. God said, yo, it ain't your time yet. But coming into 2023, I did tell myself, y'all, this needs to be done this year. I really need my space. I need, you know, just quiet, just a quiet, safe space and alone time, most of all. Um, so yeah, I am in my own space. Thanks be to God. Um, yeah, I'm just excited, literally. Like, by the way, this is just like a sidebar. I have spent so much money. I have spent so much money, y'all, because remember I was living with my mother, so I only had like my bed, dresser, side table. That's it. I never had no fridge, no this, no that. So I have gone on a shopping spree and I have spent so much money, like but you know what? It's worth it. And I was prepared for it because, like I said, coming into 2023, I told myself, hey, by the ending of this year, 2023, it needs to be done. I need to be in my own space. I need to be on my own. So I'm just super grateful and happy that I was able to do this on my own. Like, come on, come on. With God's help, of course, but like everything. Like I bought everything. I bought stove, fridge, microwave. Like, y'all, I went on a shopping spree and I'll show you guys like a little bit of that. I bought home stuff, bathroom stuff. The only thing I currently do have is like a sofa and y'all, my budget done. Okay, my budget is finished. Let's be real. So the living room is just gonna be empty for a while until I gather up some more money to just sort that out. But the bedroom is done, the kitchen is done, the bathroom is done. Like coming into this new space, like I did like deep cleaning and all of that. I think I'll just show you guys a little bit of that to see, behind the scenes of how everything just came together. Y'all, let me tell you my Amazon cart. My Amazon, I think I ordered over 30 stuff from Amazon and throughout the little, updates that I'll give you guys. Oops, I'm looking the mic. Y'all see I got a new mic? Like we're elevating this content, okay? Anyways, yeah, so I had like probably ordered over 30 something plus from Amazon. Y'all, like I tell you, the budget is done, but we're here, we're safe, we're in this great space, and I'm just super happy. And I can't wait to show you guys. I definitely not gonna show you like everything in this in my new space, but the background y'all can see my bed already. And there's so much more left to do, like literally so much left to do. Because remember, I'm basically starting over because I never owned any furniture or anything like that. So, everything is literally bought from scratch, except, the bedroom. So I think I've spoken so much. Um, but I'm grateful, I'm happy. This is a new journey and I can't wait to, be on this new journey. I'm gonna bring you guys, like I said, on this new journey and we're gonna make some great Living Alone series. I can say that, living alone. Mm, mm. Mommy, I know you miss me, but okay, I miss you too. But like, this needed to happen. But anyways, I do have something to show you guys. It's my Amazon. No, sorry, I bought a lamp on Amazon. So initially, when I had bought like my bedroom set, I only like bought one side table because I didn't think I needed two side table. And prior to me buying my bedroom set, like this was like probably 3 years ago, I did like see on Pinterest that you can have a lamp on one side and then you can have your bedside table on the other side. I was like, I really like this idea. So that's like one of the reasons why I only bought one side table when I was buying my bed a couple years ago. So I bought the lamp on Amazon and it's here. We're gonna unpack it together. But before we do that, I'm just gonna show you guys, what has been happened over the prior days, like moving in, cleaning, all of that. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like it. Please like my video. If you have any comments, drop it down. And what I have to say to anybody like who is watching my video, if you guys have a plan, the new year is starting, like if you have goals or plan or whatever, I implore you to write it down. Like you can have it like in the back of your head, but sometimes there's something different like when you write something down and then you visually see it, you physically see it. It's powerful. I'm telling you, it's powerful. And I'm just excited. I'm really excited. I'm happy. And I'm just ready to, continue to grow my channel. And yeah, so let's just jump to a couple of days back and show you guys what's really happening. Shout out to my mom and everybody who helped me move. It was, good. Was it good? Yeah, it definitely wasn't stressful. Well, it kind of was stressful because, you know, like I said, I've been buying stuff online and all of that, and I'm just trying to figure out a design and what I really want. But you know what? Enough of that. Let's jump back to a couple days ago when I'm moving. And yeah, we'll get back when I show y'all that. So we'll get back after y'all watch that, and then we're gonna open this Amazon lamp together. Yeah. Respect you like a lover. Oh, 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 oh. Could bet that and forgot to sweat that. You could bet that and forgot. Look at this big bomb. Anyways, I'm in here shopping for, getting some little house stuff. Let me just show you guys what I got. For the bathroom, I got an iron, got some plates and cups, shot glasses. You gotta buy shot glasses, y'all. Some drinking glass, this is nice. And something for the rum. This is for the bathroom. By toilet. It's so nice. That ever gotta sweat that. Be the rubber band, you be the match. I will be a fuse. Boom, painter, baby, you can play the mute. I'm the reporter, baby, you can be the news. 'Cause you're the cigarette, and I'm the smoker. We raise the bet, 'cause you're the joker. Down, you are the joke, and I can be. So y'all, I literally have a lot of Amazon packages to unbox, and I'm definitely not gonna unbox all of them on camera because I just think it's way too much. Like moving on your own, not having everything, and then you just go on Amazon and then you order. But anyways, I realized that my audio is not great on my iPhone that I'm using, so like I figured, let me try a mic. So I bought this. I can't remember how much for it, but I do have like an Amazon shop that I'll add everything on the storefront. And then you guys, if you see something that you like, then yeah, just click that link, y'all, so I can get, a little something once you use my storefront. So I'm gonna see what this mic is about. This is how it looks. It looks cute. I hope it works great. So I'm gonna like just connect it to my phone right now, and then when I'm using that audio, then I'll tell you guys, hey, I'm using this, how does it sound, yada yada yada. And I'll just test it on my end to see. Oh, it comes with a charger. I hope I don't have to charge it right now. But yeah, let me go try this audio right now, then I'll be back. So y'all, I plugged it in and all of that, but I have no idea if it's working. I'm just gonna check the user manual to see what it says. So connect to the phone, press the key, the green light that it means it's on, the indicator light. Okay, so well, both lights are on, so I guess it's working. So I guess when I'm, editing and stuff, I'll know if the audio is working. Anyways, hopefully, I can't remember how much for it, but it was very reasonable. Handheld vacuum, because I have a lot of windows in here, so I wanted something that just gonna help me. And sometimes like I keep the windows open, and there's a lot of dust and stuff that will come in. So I figured this is not cutting properly, bruh. This is not gonna work, and I have so much other boxes to open. Yeah, so it's from Amazon, of course. It was very, very affordable. I can't even remember how much for it, but I'll put the price there. I think it was less than $20 though. All right, here we go. It's perfect. You use it on my windows, the car. Love it, and it's very lightweight. So for the kitchen cupboards, I did like clean it up and all of that, but I'm just gonna use the vacuum to just take out any excess dirt or whatever that may be in the crease. So we're gonna try this right now so I can pack in the stuff that I have to go in the drawer. So I tested it out. Here it is. I think it was less than $20. I paid for it on Amazon. Just check the link down below and you guys can see it. So it came with a little power. So I'm just gonna test it in the kitchen cupboard to see how it works. So it has 3 levels. So we gonna test to see how this works. So I'm gonna show you guys a cupboard right now. It definitely has just like some little particles in the corner. So let's see if this works with it. Oh, for sure it did. Okay, I like it. This is perfect. Let me show you guys. Tomorrow it's kind of like this is what 5:35 right now, so it's getting kind of dark. So wanted to do the windows, but tomorrow I'm just gonna do the windows. I'm actually gonna cook right now. I am extremely hungry to cook the shrimp. So I'm gonna make me some pasta. Don't mind the kitchen behind me, y'all. Like I have a lot of work to do. You guys don't even want to see the room, the bedroom, or the living room. The only thing that's like 90% done is the bathroom. 90% done. Everything else, yeah. But it's time to eat some food. I'm gonna cook, probably drink some Merlot, but I don't have any wine opener. Oh my god. I don't have a wine opener, but I do have some alcohol. I do have some rum. So we're maybe gonna do that with our pasta and just chill. We're definitely not gonna do any more housework today. And I'm just finished working as well. Like I am extremely tired. So we're just gonna cook, wind down, relax. I need to watch Married to Medicine and Real Housewives of Potomac. So I'm not gonna watch those two shows tonight. And then tomorrow is Friday. So after work tomorrow, I am definitely gonna putting some cleaning. Definitely putting some more cleaning so this place can come together. It's like almost what? Well, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Almost 4 days till Christmas Day, and I'm gonna go home to mom's house for dinner, of course. Not going to be cooking Christmas Day. So I need to ensure that this place is fully ready before the Christmas. Whew. All right, so we need to cook right now. Like I am so tired. My energy is very, very low as well. I only had cereal today and that was it. My energy is so low. Oh, I also bought this from Amazon. It's to just go into the sink, like a sink holder for, your sponge. So we're gonna put that on, and then we're gonna get to cooking because my energy is draining. It's like 30% right now. 30%. Oh, I bought this salt and pepper electric. See, I tell you, I've been burning it up on Amazon. So I need to pour my salt in this. I'm actually oh, I need to wash it. So yeah, definitely can't use this tonight. So let me just take it out for it to wash and all that nonsense. I'm so high here from smoking on this weed. Told I'm gonna take a shot on three. Told them drinks, it's on me. Is it hot in here or is it just me? I'm so high here from smoking on this weed. I'm gonna take a shot on three. Drinks, it's on me, drinks on me. I said now go take a shot on me. Only drug a bitch is on is a tree. But I lasted 10 rounds like a freak, like a G. Oh yeah, get ready. Oh, alright. Oh yeah, I'm ready. Please hold the phone. Oh yeah, I'm ready. All right, so I hope you guys just enjoyed that little, preview that I showed you guys. It was a lot of work we did, lots of cleaning, deep cleaning. As a matter of fact, I'm not a monk, but my place has to be like cleaned. Like I literally we scrubbed this place from top to floor. See, I was dusting the walls and all of that. Like we did a lot. But anyways, we're gonna jump into unboxing my Amazon lamp that I purchased. I hope it's not broken or anything like that. So we're just gonna just jump right into it, and we'll see, how it goes with the vibe of the room. Yeah, it better. I think it's white. I purchased white. I think. You know what? Let's see what happens. Let's see what I bought. Well, I really think I should have put this on the flat. And I probably need to like read the manual because I have no idea how to set this thing up. So yeah, let me figure out this manual first. I think I need to do that. That's the first thing I should have done. Check the manual. Okay. It's pretty straightforward. So yeah. Oh my god, y'all. I love it. I love it so much. And I love how tall it is. It took me a while to figure it out, but I did. I need to get a bulb, so let me just quickly go for one, and we're gonna see how this works. Ah, I'm so excited. I'll be back. Okay, so I do have like a white um LED bulb, or let me try this one. I don't think this one is white, and I don't think I want like any white in here. Since it's like a bedroom, I need like a mood light. I may need to like buy one of those bulbs that can like change in different colors. That definitely would be a vibe. All right, let me plug this lamp in and we will see how it works. Can it be turned off, or it's on when it's plugged in? Where's the manual? All right, let me plug it in and see first. Y'all, I had to stop my video a while ago just to ensure that you guys are hearing and seeing me. So when I was watching it back, like I keep on hitting, the mic in my chest and stuff like that. So I think I just need to hold it in my hand like this. Hey, yeah, and whatever. But y'all, this lamp is a vibe. I'm gonna put up the price, y'all. For all of my viewers in Jamaica, y'all, this is less than $50. It's less than $40. It was on sale though. Okay, so I'll tell you the shipping company that I use. I use Speed Master Shipping. I'll add the name on the screen, and I think I paid, how much was it? I think it was £8 was the weight, and I can't remember. I'll just put everything on the screen, y'all, for all the persons in Jamaica. But y'all, and then to turn it on, once it's plugged in, to turn it on, you just step on the little thing here. Let me turn off the room light and also the ring light so we can definitely see like the true, you know, damn, I'm super excited. Okay, so I turned off my ring light. Look at that. This is a vibe, y'all. This is a vibe. And this is not the white bulb, like I told you guys. This is nice. I'm gonna put it right. So what I have to do though is to like remove the mirror from beside my bed, put the lamp there, and I have no idea where I'm gonna put the mirror. And I'm also gonna change this mirror though, because it's the outline is gold. I could spray it, but I saw something else that I liked, which is much more broader in weight, in width. So, yeah, I love this lamp. What a great investment, literally. All right, let me put it in the spot for the room, and then I'll show the little type of vibe I'm working with this room. Just bear in mind the room ain't done, but it's just as a little mini tour. Okay, y'all. You know, one thing I love. Let me just put down the phone here. It's so dark. Let me turn on about the light a little bit. Oh, it's still dark. There's. I'm not liking this lighting. Yeah, so there's something like I forgot to tell you guys, like where I'm living. So sorry. So I'm gonna show you guys like the room with the lamp and everything. I really love it, but there's one thing I wanted to say, like where I'm living. It's the area that I live in. It's literally in my top two places of where I want to buy my house. I am literally in this apartment, and it doesn't come with AC, right? There's no air condition, but I have fan, and I've never ever plugged it in since I started living here. The temperature is the best, and it's just like a dream come true. I'm living in an area where I want to buy my house. Like, who could it be? Who could it be but God? Like when I first, hold on, my hand is hurting. So yeah, when I first came at this place, it's so crazy. I think this is my third, because when I was looking for places to rent, this is literally the third place that I looked at. And for some reason, there's some of the stuff that I don't really like about it, but the number one thing for me was just where it was, the area. And I always said, like I said earlier, like this place, this area where I'm living is in my top two places of where I want to buy my house. Like it's just inspiration. This is inspiration. So when I'm coming up and I'm driving, it's like, and I'm looking at the houses and I'm like, okay, yeah, you're gonna get it, girl. You're gonna get it. So that's like one of my main reasons why I took this apartment, and I'm even thankful that the landlord chose me too, because listen, and I know it's not Jamaica only where once you're there's always people looking for places to rent, thousands of people, and thousands of people always go to look at the same house. But she said she liked my vibe and the energy, and I don't know. I don't know. I think this place is like fate. And like I said, there's some minor stuff that I don't like about it, like the bathroom. The bathroom vanity is so old. Like you guys are gonna see it eventually. It's like cream, like very, very old. So that wasn't changed, but everything else is okay. Um, but overall, I liked it. The closet space is good enough for me and everything. So yeah, let enough of talking. So let me show you guys the room. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. I may have another moving vlog coming up. I'm not sure yet, or this may just be the last moving vlog. Just one, episode of the moving vlog, and then, throughout the weeks when I get new stuff, then I may like do an apartment update. But I appreciate you guys for watching, and remember, everything this mic that I'm using is in my Amazon storefront. I'll link it down below. Please click on my link and just buy from my link. You don't need to buy from what's exactly on the storefront, but once you click on my link and buy anything on Amazon, your girl gets a little coin, some little cents. Anyways, let's do the room tour. Remember, it's not done. Is it done? Oh, so I need to change the mirror. And what I had to do is to move the mirror behind the door. So there's two doors to get in the room. So I may have to, yeah, I think I'm gonna leave the mirror at this door, and I'm just gonna use the door to the kitchen to come in and out to the room. And also, my bathroom is in my room. That's another thing. The bathroom is in the room, so when I have guests come over, they're gonna have to come in the room. But oh well, I don't care. Um, but yeah, like I said, we're living on our own. Thanks be to God. No man, I'm feeling excited and all that. Anyways, y'all like the video? Let me feel like the design. By the way, my bed it's black and white. Like I am a boring person. Let me just say that from now. I am a very boring person. Um, so it's black and white. Okay. You guys may think that it needs color, which it could, it could. I may add a little color eventually, but my bed is gonna stay black and white until I want to change that. Until I change my sheets, actually, my sheet bed. Um, but let's go. Let's go. The room is very just simple, chic. I do want to get like an art to put over the bed, just one. So as soon as I find that, then I'll do that. But let's just get into this because I've said this before and I'm still chatting. But anyways, I appreciate you guys for watching and see you in another video.